Would you ever consider painting a fridge? We have this old fridge that was in the barn at the ranch, and it's definitely seen better days. So I cleaned it up, sanded it, and decided to try out this Dwell appliance paint. I was honestly super impressed with the coverage, and guess what? It's a low-odor paint, so none of those yucky smells. I only needed 2 coats of paint for full coverage, and dry time was a quick 2 hours in between coats. Not only does the finish look so good, but the paint forms a long-lasting film on your appliance that's more enduring than epoxy paint and appliance spray paint. It's also scratch-resistant. Check out the link in my bio, and don't forget to celebrate with an ice-cold soda. No, you know me better than that. With an ice-cold water. Now our workshop drink fridge is fully stocked.